Hey there guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Mission Workshop haul that we got. And inside this box there's quite a few things that will fit some of the Mission Workshop pieces that I already have, and also just some interesting other pieces. Alright, let's get started. So, opening up the box, oh, it smells really good inside the box because there seems to be a bag of coffee. So we're going to take a look at that in a moment. Comes with a packing list with the Mission Workshop logo printed so nicely, or their name printed so nicely on this piece of paper. Very nice. Ooh. We have an MCB tool roll. Oh, it looks like there's a loose thread right here, which is not good. We'll cut that off. Opening it up. Here's what the MCB tool roll looks on the inside. Here it is on the outside. This is great for less fragile gear because it doesn't offer up a lot of protection, but it offers a nice compact way to fit your things in a little roll. Nice. All right, next let's take a look at this bigger piece to the side right here. This one, oh, it's the Miir and Mission Workshop Thermo 3D. I believe this is the Howler. Yes, vacuum insulated Howler. And so this is one of those water bottles that Mission Workshop sells. Double wall, vacuum sealed. It has a nice wide mouth, so if you need to put ice in very easily, you can put some ice in. Like how it closes really tight, it feels. Okay, clips in right here, push it down. Oh wow, and it clips close very, very well. Okay, this is very cool. I like the Mission Workshop logo and how clean this looks. That black goodness. Okay, let's put this to the side. Next, we have a Sector t-shirt from Mission Workshop. Take this out very quickly. Oh, this feels really nice. It feels kind of like a jersey almost. If you can see the fabric, it looks very nice. It's almost like a membrane feeling fabric with many different patterns. Like a honeycomb pattern almost that goes through the whole thing. It looks more black in person, but yeah, this feels amazing. 100% polyester. Seems to be a nice sport shirt or something. I'm gonna wear this on bike rides every now and then. That's what my plan is. And lastly, and my favorite piece from the Mission Workshop haul is the Arkiv tech pouch. Now, this has the Arkiv rail system, which will work with bags or accessories that have the Arkiv rails. And this tech pouch is pretty big and very flat, which I like. Zipper system is really good. Look at that. Look at this. Okay, let me try to open this all the way so it opens more easily. Wow, look at this tech case. Nice and thin, perfect on the inside. There feels like a double wall insulation and like a piece of almost hard plastic that keeps it safe. It's extremely waterproof with the AquaGuard zipper. The outside, mole attachments right here. Additional pocket in the front, quick access pocket, I guess. A lot of different ways you can secure items through these straps. There's also pockets with a lining so that you can kind of see through it. You can see my fingers, so you can see what you put inside. Things you can hook onto these. A Velcro pocket in here, which I heard can fit a small tablet. Yeah, and then looks like you can fit either an Apple Pen or something right down the middle. Very nice. Very excited to put this on one of my Mission Workshop bags. Give you guys a quick look. Look how thin that is. About 1.5 inches maybe in depth. Arkiv rail system in the back. Comes with the horizontal or vertical points, so you can put this bag in vertically like this or horizontally depending on which bag you have. Lastly, as a gift, they also included this bicycle medium roast coffee that smells amazing and is sourced from Panorama, Asodiet, Huehuetenango, and Guatemala. I really hope I said that third one correctly. Huehuetango. Huehuetango. Either way, looks amazing, smells amazing. Yes, so let's clear the table. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll be doing some reviews on some of the items in this as I get some more time to use them. Feel free to subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you for all the support that I've had lately. Remember to like the video if you like it. And also, if you feel like helping out this channel, use the Amazon links down below. Part of your purchase that you make on Amazon will come and support the channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.